In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication on Robinhood. Now, it's important to note that Robinhood has made two-factor authentication a mandatory feature. This means it's automatically enabled on all accounts, ensuring an extra layer of security by default. You can't turn it off or disable it, which is a great step towards protecting your investments. First things first, let's explore how you can manage the SMS number or device used for verification. Start by tapping on your account. You can find the person icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. This icon is your gateway to all your account settings and personal preferences. Once you're there, it's time to move on to the next step. Now you'll want to select Menu, then tap on Settings. This area contains a variety of options that allow you to customize your account. Think of it as your control panel, where you can tweak different aspects of how your account operates. Once in Settings, tap on Personal Information. Here, you can view or change important details about your account. This step is crucial because it lets you manage the contact information Robinhood uses to verify your identity. From here, you can view or change your SMS phone number settings. This is where you can update your phone number if you ever change it. Keeping this information current is essential because it's how Robinhood will send you verification codes. Now, let's talk about how Robinhood manages app approvals and SMS. Instead of relying on traditional third-party authenticator apps like TOTP, Robinhood now natively uses device approvals and text messages to secure logins. This approach simplifies the process and provides seamless security without the need for additional apps. When you sign in, the first device you used will ask for confirmation. Alternatively, Robinhood might text you a verification code. This flexibility ensures you can always access your account even if one method isn't available at the moment. It's important to understand why this matters. By using device approvals and SMS, Robinhood makes sure your account is secure every time you log in. This means fewer chances for unauthorized access, giving you peace of mind about your investments. At this point, you might wonder what happens if you change your phone or lose access to your number. Rest assured, as long as you keep your account information updated, you can easily reconfigure your settings. Robinhood's system is designed to accommodate these changes smoothly. In summary, enabling two-factor authentication on Robinhood is not only straightforward but also mandatory. It ensures an added layer of protection for your account through built-in security features. By managing your SMS number and being aware of the device approval process, you're taking active steps towards safeguarding your investments. With that ready, you now know how to navigate the settings related to this feature on Robinhood. Remember, security is paramount, and these built-in measures are there to protect you. Thank you for tuning in today and happy investing.